Hello everyone, welcome back to my page or channel. I'm Elena Rugal and today I will show you how to crochet adorable pattern that I created. So let's look at my swatch. As you notice, the both sides look very beautiful, so you can use any of them. This is the back side, but in this video I call it just another side. This pattern can be perfect for tablecloths, blanket, accessories for cell phone, bags, and of course summer clothes or just clothes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For work, I'm using a crochet hook 1.4 millimeters and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. You can use any yarn and any crochet hook. So now I show you how to crochet such adorable pattern. For this pattern, I'm making a chain of 30. Pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. 28 chains are for main pattern plus 2 chains for more beautiful look. So let's crochet the foundation chain and so on till you will get the whole foundation chain. My foundation chain is ready. I made 30 chains. Now I'm going to work with row of half double crochet stitches, chain of 2 to bring up the yarn over the hook, insert the hook 1, 2, 3 and half double crochet into the 4th stitch and make half double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Yarn over and make half double crochet. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. This is the first row of the main pattern. Continue by yourself. My first row of the main pattern is done. It was row of half double crochet. Let's crochet row 2. It is going to be a row of stitches. Now I am working with treble crochet. For this, make a chain of 4 to bring up the yarn 1, 2, 3, 4. I have done 4 stitches. Now I turn the work and yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. 1. Then make the second treble crochet into the next stitch. And the third one. I have done 3 stitches. Then I turn, then yarn over the hook, insert the hook around these 3 stitches and pull up a loop to the level. You can pull your string like this. So I make my string a little bit loosely. In total it should be 5 such strings. First is done. I'm going to work with next 4. 1, 2, 3. I hold all loops with my finger. 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Then chain, and my beautiful stitch is ready. This is the front, and let's look at the back side. So as you notice, this is double-sided stitch, so you can use any side. Let's repeat again. Make 3 treble crochet in a row. I skip the first stitch and make treble crochet into the second stitch. 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over, insert the hook around these 3 stitches, pull up a loop 5 times. Now turn the work and let's count my strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. In total it should be 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and pull through all loops on the hook. Chain, I skip the next stitch and treble crochet into the second stitch, then treble crochet 2 more in a row. In total it should be 3 of them. So my 3D stitch is not difficult to make. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's complete this row together. As you can see, I did such puff stitches. After you have made the last stitch, make a chain. I skip the first stitch, yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make treble crochet into this chain stitch. It is very important, so please be careful. You should make chain stitch after the last 3D stitch. A row of 3D stitches is done. Here how it looks. Let's turn upside down. It is very simple and interesting in the same time. It can be perfect for bookmark or cell phone case holder. And now I show you how to repeat my pattern the second time. It is going to be the third row. It will be a row of half double crochet. Pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. Chain of 2 to bring up the yarn, turn, then half double crochet. I skip the first stitch and make half double crochet into the chain space, then make half double crochet into the each stitch of the previous row. Make half double crochet. Let's count my half double crochet stitches. 2, 3 and 4. I have done 4 half double crochet and now half double crochet into the chain space and 3 half double crochet more in a row. 2, 3 and 4. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I show you how to complete this row with me. Let's complete this row together. So now I did the last 4 half double crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first stitch and make half double crochet. Let's repeat my 3D stitches or puff stitches. So you should crochet such pattern as many times as you need. I will begin and you will continue by yourself. As I did before, chain of 4 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I turn, yarn over the hook twice. I skip the first stitch and make treble crochet into the second stitch. Then treble crochet 2 more times. 2 and 3. Then yarn over, insert the hook around these 3, pull up a loop 5 times. I put in this way, then yarn over, insert the hook around these 3, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops till the end of all loops on the hook. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pull through. So my stitch is ready. Don't forget to make a chain. Then yarn over the hook twice and make 3 treble crochet in a row. Now skip the first stitch and treble crochet into the second stitch. So my swatch is ready. For this swatch I did 8 rows. So I repeat pattern 4 times. Let's look at another side. It can be perfect for coasters or mug rugs or just rug in your bedroom. But for rugs, I think you should change kind of yarn and a crochet hook. So please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, follow me in social media, and I remind you this is my own pattern. See you in the next video. Bye!